Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy 2-ingredient pesto sauce. My pesto is rolling away from me. I've tried for so long to keep it still and it's driving me crazy. Anyway, I'm just using 2 ingredients and I've got loads of adaptations, loads of ways to use this easy creamy pesto, and I'll write it all down in a blog post which I'll leave down below, and you can click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know how you enjoy this pesto and any other recipes you'd like me to share. So yeah, we've been home the last few weeks and I am trying to grocery shop as little as possible and make what I have last as long as possible. So I've been coming up with all kinds of interesting meals, and my latest fun is just working with different jars of pesto. I've got a basil pesto and I've got sun-dried tomato pesto over here, and I've got a whole lot of bits of leftovers in the fridge, and so I'm going to be making a big meal with that. But the base is going to be this pesto sauce, which is what I'm going to show you through today. Stop knocking these jars. So I am going to use the basil pesto this time, but you can really use any pesto you like. You can also make pesto yourself. It's really easy, but these jars have been in my pantry for ages, so I thought it was about time to crack them open. And I've got loads of cream cheese in my fridge. I've found cream cheese has been easy to come by, so it's just a good ingredient to keep to hand, and we're really just going to mix the two together. Okay, I've got a little ramekin to mix the ingredients together, and you can use a bowl, you can do it anyhow you like. And I'm putting probably half of the little tub of cream cheese into the ramekin here, and I'm just going to give it a little mix until it's really smooth and creamy. Okay, that's just nice and smooth and creamy. It just loosened it up a bit, and now we'll add in the pesto. And it's up to you. You can use a whole tub of cream cheese and a whole jar of pesto. I like to just add a teaspoon or so at a time, give it a mix, have a little taste, and just keep adding until it's the perfect ratio of cream cheese to pesto for me, because I find pesto can be quite overpowering, so this just really mellows it out. So we've got it over there, and we're just going to give it a mix through. So we're just going to mix it to fully incorporate it into the cream cheese. I'm making a bit of mess as always, and I'll just add another teaspoon in. So it's a really heaped teaspoon. I find for the amount I've done, 2 heaped teaspoons is perfect, and there's loads of other ways to enjoy the jar of pesto. I'm just going to put together a blog post with ways to enjoy pesto and the pesto sauce, loads of yum things to do, so we'll just mix the rest of the pesto in. And there you go, it's nice and mixed together. It's beautiful and creamy, and I had a little taste before. This is beautiful to just have raw like this. You don't even need to heat it up. You can pop it into a wrap. You can just quickly make some zucchini noodles, zoodles, have it with that. You can, if you've got any leftover roast chicken, we roasted a chicken yesterday and we have some leftover roast chicken. You could mix that together, just roast chicken with a bit of pesto. You could heat it up. I am actually going to use this in a meal. I've got some gluten-free pasta. I'm going to cook gluten-free pasta, and then I'm just going to heat up the sauce and heat up the leftover chicken and then just have it all together, and it's just beautiful. But as I said, I will write a blog post down below which has loads of ways to use this lovely pesto. It's just a creamy, dreamy, wonderful recipe to have when you've got pesto that you want to use, when you're just looking for just another meal to enjoy while we're all home at the moment. I hope you and your family are staying safe and that you're enjoying some yum meals, and you can check out the recipe index on my blog and my videos on my channel. I've got so many recipes. I have been cooking and baking. It's just a really welcome distraction from everything that's going in, from scrolling on my phone and scrolling all the news and everything. So yeah, hope you're keeping well and enjoying yum food. And so thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this pesto sauce a try and what you think of it, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.